Hi, welcome to my video and welcome to the last week of Veganuary. We've been sharing vegan recipes all month long and today is no different. I'm sharing three ingredient salads. Yes, each of these salads only uses 3 ingredients. I'm not counting pantry items like spices, oil, herbs. 3 ingredients really refers to 3 main ingredients, but I'm also going to show you how to bulk these up if you want to add some carbs, which would make these perfect for on the go or for lunch. Let's get right into it. The first salad is going to use some navy beans, tomato, and cucumber. The first time I made this, I did it with cherry tomatoes, and it looks really pretty with cherry tomatoes, but I'm always a fan of using whatever you have on hand. So if you don't have that, a regular tomato will work just fine. Go ahead and cut everything up to roughly the same size and add it to a bowl. Then add some extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar, black pepper, and salt. This is possibly one of my all-time favorite seasoning combinations for salad. And that's it. Salad number 1 is done. It's really easy to take to work, to take on a picnic, and you could bulk it up if you needed to. You could add any number of ingredients. The easiest thing is probably to boil your favorite shape of pasta and add that in for some extra carbs if you needed to. Of course, don't forget to add a little extra oil, vinegar, salt, and pepper if you do that, just so that the flavors are nicely balanced. And there you go, from a 3 ingredient salad to a 4 ingredient salad. Moving on, our next salad is going to use black beans, corn, and a shallot, or you could use a red onion if you didn't have a shallot on hand. And since the black beans and corn kernels are already perfectly sized, the only thing that you have to cut up is the shallot or the red onion. And a small dice should be fine. It doesn't even have to be too perfect. Add the ingredients to a bowl, give them a bit of a mix, and it's time to season. We're going to add some fresh cilantro, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, some lemon juice this time, as well as some smoked paprika, which is going to give it a nice smoky flavor. And of course, a bit of salt according to your taste. This is more of a Tex-Mex inspired salad, I guess. You could use it like a salsa on top of tacos. You could put it in a wrap. The flavors are really beautiful. The smoked paprika really adds something to it. And of course, if you wanted to bulk it up, which would be perfect for work or school, you could add some couscous. Like I did, I opted for pearl couscous, which is a chubbier couscous. And our last salad is an Asian-inspired salad using bell peppers, some pressed tofu, and some edamame. It's a very protein-packed salad. And about this tofu, I found it at my local Asian grocery store. It is not the most attractive tofu I've ever seen, but it was pre-marinated, and so it had a kind of spicy flavor of its own. It was pretty good. As with the previous 2 salads, I really just want to make sure that everything is roughly the same size. That is what allows me to pack these salads really easily and to, as I mentioned, eat them with a spoon if necessary. So I'm adding all the main ingredients into a bowl, and then the dressing for this one is a bit of sesame oil, some soy sauce, some toasted sesame seeds. You could use black or white sesame seeds. Of course, a bit of salt and some togarashi. I first discovered this at one of our favorite sushi restaurants. It's an assorted chili blend, and I'm going to add a little bit of sugar into this salad as well. It's not going to sweeten the salad, but it does help to balance out the flavors. And that's it. This is our third 3 ingredient salad done. Again, highly portable, easy to consume with a spoon. And of course, to bulk this up if you need to, I really think that brown rice works very well, and I really hope you liked these recipes. I enjoyed coming up with them. I've actually been making versions of these salads for a really long time and thought it would be great to share them with you. So if you liked them, please hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I will see you very, very soon. Okay, bye-bye.